Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your GMC Sierra louder. Many truck owners desire a more aggressive exhaust note, and there are several effective ways to achieve this. We'll cover the most popular modifications, from simple changes to more comprehensive system overhauls. Understanding these options will help you choose the best path to get that powerful sound you're looking for, while also considering any performance implications. The most direct way to make your Sierra louder is by upgrading its exhaust system. A popular option is a catback exhaust, which replaces everything from the catalytic converter to the tailpipe. These systems are engineered to improve exhaust flow and produce a deeper, more aggressive tone. You'll find many aftermarket options, each offering a unique sound profile and often a slight boost in horsepower and torque. For a more dramatic increase in volume, consider a muffler delete. This involves removing the factory muffler and replacing it with a straight pipe, resulting in a much louder exhaust note. Similarly, a resonator delete can further enhance the sound, making it more aggressive. While these modifications are effective, it's important to be aware of potential drone inside the cabin and local noise ordinances. Beyond the main exhaust components, other modifications can contribute to a louder Sierra. Upgrading to aftermarket headers can improve exhaust scavenging and produce a more pronounced engine sound. Additionally, installing a cold air intake system can add a subtle, deeper growl from the engine bay. Always ensure any modifications are installed correctly, ideally by a professional, to maintain optimal performance and avoid issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.